Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make broth without meat, only way. Roast vegetables until deeply caramelized to create a rich base. Add dried mushrooms, kombu, and tomato paste for umami and color. Simmer gently with fresh herbs and a pinch of salt for clarity. Skim foam and avoid boiling hard to keep flavor clean. Strain well and cool quickly to store for soups, sauces, and grains. Begin by toasting whole spices in a dry pan until fragrant to boost aroma. Add roasted vegetables and kombu to cold water and bring up to a gentle simmer. Stir in tomato paste and dried mushrooms early to develop depth. Maintain low simmer and skim impurities often for a clear broth. Finish with a splash of vinegar or lemon to lift flavors before straining and cooling for storage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum cleans floors with smart maps and hands-free voice control, so you can spend time making broth, not sweeping. It's great for catching crumbs under your cutting board and keeping kitchens tidy between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove solids and achieve clarity. Cool the liquid quickly in an ice bath before refrigerating to reduce bacterial growth. Store in airtight containers for up to 4 days or freeze in measured portions for easy use. Defat if desired once chilled, then reheat gently when needed. Proper storage preserves flavor and makes future meals effortless and convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.